Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today on the request of some students, I am here to discuss June TET medical paper which held on 8th August 2020. So I'll be discussing all the sections in one video and answers will be based on official answer key. So let's begin with first section, that is child psychology and developmental pedagogy teaching learning process. So our first question is, our favorable opinion oneself is called. स्वयं के महत्व के बारे में हमारी अवधारणा कहलाती है आत्म गौरव, सेल्फ एस्टीम. ए विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. व्हाट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ द नर्वस सिस्टम. तंत्रिका तंत्र की सबसे छोटी इकाई क्या है? न्यूरॉन. डी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Which one is the correct stage for industry versus inferiority in Erickson's psychosocial theory? एरिक्सन के मनोसामाजिक सिद्धांत में परिश्रम बनाम हीनता का सही अवस्था कौन सी है? 6 से 12 वर्ष की, 6 to 12 years. बी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. What is conditioned stimulus in Pavlov's conditioning theory? पावलोव के अनुबंधन सिद्धांत में अनुबंधित उद्दीपक क्या है? बेल. ए विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Whose component is encoding? कूट संकेतन किसका तत्व है? स्मृति का, मेमोरी. C will be the correct option. Who gave the concept of concrete, abstract and social intelligence? मूर्त, अमूर्त एवं सामाजिक बुद्धि का संप्रत्यय किसके द्वारा दिया गया है? थॉर्नडाइक के द्वारा. A will be the correct option. Which of the following is responsible for transmission of different capabilities of human beings? मानव की विभिन्न क्षमताओं का संवहन निम्नलिखित में से किसके द्वारा होता है? जीन के द्वारा. B will be the correct option. The conditions which directs a person towards his goal is called. प्राणी की ऐसी स्थिति जो लक्ष्य की ओर निर्देशित करती है उसे डैश कहते हैं, प्रेरणा कहते हैं, मोटिवेशन कहते हैं. C will be the correct option. The repetition of any activity leads to stronger ties is based on which principle of Thorndike? किसी प्रक्रिया को बार बार दोहराने से उसका संबंध दृढ़ हो जाता है. थॉर्नडाइक के किस नियम पर आधारित है? लॉ ऑफ एक्सरसाइज, अभ्यास का नियम. C will be the correct option. Next is the quality, ability of perceiving, understanding and differentiating the feelings and emotions of oneself and other is called. स्वयं एवं दूसरों की अनुभूतियों एवं भावों को देखने, समझने एवं उनमें विभेदन करने की योग्यता को कहते हैं इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, सांवेगिक बुद्धि. बी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. हु सेड लर्न लैंग्वेज डिपेंड्स अपॉन थिंकिंग? भाषा चिंतन पर आधारित है, किसके द्वारा कहा गया है? पियाजे के द्वारा. बी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. In which of the following stages children become active members of their peer group? निम्न में से किस अवस्था में बच्चे अपने संवयस्क समूह के सक्रिय सदस्य होते हैं? एडोलेसेंस के. ए विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. The process by which the solution of a problem suddenly becomes clear is called. जिस प्रक्रिया द्वारा किसी समस्या का अचानक समाधान सूझता है उसे क्या कहते हैं? आहा अनुभव, आहा एक्सपीरियंस. ए विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Who has propounded the theory of hierarchy of needs of the motivation? प्रेरणा की आवश्यकताओं का अनुक्रम सिद्धांत किसका है? E.H. Maslow. A will be the correct option. Pituitary gland is known as master gland. पीयूष ग्रंथि को जाना जाता है मास्टर ग्रंथि के नाम से. C will be the correct option here. The perceptual inclination of a person towards specific things is known as. किसी विशिष्ट वस्तु के प्रति व्यक्ति के प्रात्यक्षिक झुकाव को कहते हैं एटीट्यूड, अभिवृत्ति. B will be the correct option. Next is, of the following factors, which one is not related to memory? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा कारक स्मृति से संबंधित नहीं है? तो आइडेंटिफिकेशन, पहचान, रिटेंशन, धारणा, रिकॉल, पुनः स्मरण, ये तीनों ही फैक्टर्स हैं मेमोरी के. तो विच इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू मेमोरी इज फीलिंग, अनुभूति. डी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन है. Which intelligence theory supports the general intelligence G and specific intelligence S? बुद्धि का कौन सा सिद्धांत सामान्य बुद्धि G और विशिष्ट बुद्धि S की उपस्थिति का समर्थन करता है? Theory of Spearman. C will be the correct option here. Next is, which of the following is developed among children through group activities? सामूहिक क्रियाकलाप द्वारा बच्चों में किन गुणों का विकास होता है? The spirit of leadership, नेतृत्व, yes. कॉपरेशन, सहयोग, यस. डिसिप्लिन, अनुशासन, यस. सो यहाँ पर जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा दैट इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. डी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर. A mentally retarded children's IQ will be, एक मानसिक रूप से मंद बालक की बुद्धि लब्धि होती है below 70. B will be the correct option here, below 70. Next is, first intelligence test was developed by whom? बिने के द्वारा, बिने. C will be the correct option here. Every learner is unique means that प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी स्वयं में विशिष्ट है. इसका अर्थ है no two learners are alike in their abilities, interest and talents. कोई भी दो शिक्षार्थी अपनी योग्यताओं, रुचियों और प्रतिभाओं में एक समान नहीं होते हैं. D will be the correct option. Which of the following is not a biological or natural motive? निम्न में से कौन सा जन्मजात या जैविक प्रेरक नहीं है? Habit, आदत. C will be the correct option. According to Piaget, first stage of cognitive development is, Piaget के अनुसार संज्ञानात्मक विकास की प्रथम अवस्था है. अगर आपने Piaget की थ्योरी अच्छे से पढ़ी होगी तो आपको चारों स्टेजेस का पता होगा, और जो सबसे पहले वाली स्टेज है उसे हम सेंसरी मोटर स्टेज कहते हैं, जिसमें बच्चा अपने सेंसेस के थ्रू जो है सीखता है. सो हेयर B will be the correct option. नेक्स्ट इज द इनसाइट थ्योरी ऑफ लर्निंग इज प्रोमोटेड बाय, सीखने के अंतर्दृष्टि सिद्धांत को किसने बढ़ावा दिया है? गेस्टाल्ट थ्योरिस्ट. ए विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट इज लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटीज रिलेटेड टू मैथमेटिक्स आर कॉल्ड डिसकैलकुलिया. बी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. हु क्रिएटेड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ किंडरगार्टन? फ्रॉबेल. फ्रॉबेल क्रिएटेड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ. So next question is, a teacher uses audio visual aids and activities in her teaching because they, अपने शिक्षण के दौरान एक शिक्षिका दृश्य श्रव्य साधनों व गतिविधियों का उपयोग करती है क्योंकि वे विद्यार्थियों की अधिकतर ज्ञानेंद्रियों का उपयोग करके अधिगम को बढ़ाती हैं. यूटिलाइज मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ सेंसेस टू इनहांस लर्निंग. डी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर. नेक्स्ट इज, where was the first psychological experimental laboratory set up? So it was set up in Leipzig University, that is in Germany. So here D will be the correct option. इसी के साथ हमारा साइकोलॉजी पोर्शन जो है वो ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट सेक्शन इज ऑफ केमिस्ट्री. सो मोमबत्ती की ज्वाला का गहन क्षेत्र है. द डार्क जोन ऑफ कैंडल फ्लेम इज इनर जोन. सी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Which of the following is not an element of the second transition series? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा तत्व द्वितीय संक्रमण श्रेणी का तत्व नहीं है? प्लैटिनम. सी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. अवधि उत्प्रेरक द्वारा शुरू की गई थी. द टर्म कैटलिस्ट वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय बर्जीलियस. सी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट इज, आयरन ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम ब्लास्ट फर्नेस इज. ब्लास्ट भट्टी से प्राप्त होने वाला लौह है pig iron. C will be the correct option. Next is, which one of the following is an electrophilic reagent? AlCl3. C will be the correct option. An element belongs to group 13 of the periodic table. Its oxides should have the formula X2O3. D will be the correct option. Next is, which of the following is a molecular disease? सो यहाँ पे करेक्ट ऑप्शन है अनीमिया. सिकल सेल अनीमिया जो है दैट इज़ अ मॉलिक्यूलर डिजीज़. सो यहाँ पे सी ऑप्शन विल बी द करेक्ट वन, बट यहाँ पर जो आंसर की आई थी उसमें इसका ऑप्शन करेक्ट दिया गया था कैंसर. नेक्स्ट इज द बॉन्ड ऑर्डर ऑफ O2+ इज 2.5. डी विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. इन होमोलोगस सीरीज द टू consecutive compounds differ by CH2 group. C will be the correct option. Next is, malachite is an ore of copper. B will be the correct option. Polytetrafluoroethylene PPTE is used in non-stick cooking pans. A will be the correct option. The reaction between alcohol and carboxylic acid is called esterification reaction. B will be the correct option. Which of the following has the highest dipole movement? CH3Cl. Next is, 95% ethyl alcohol is called rectified spirits. D will be the correct option. Maximum percentage of polyunsaturated fatty acid is found in sunflower oil. C will be the correct option. How many ions are produced from the complex CONH3(6) Cl2 in solution? 3. The melting point of ice is 273.16 Kelvin. Next is, an aqueous solution of borax is basic. A reaction A plus B gives C plus D plus Q is found to have a positive entropy change. The reaction will be possible at any temperature. D will be the correct option. Unit of viscosity is poise. A will be the correct option. Which of the following oxide is strongly acidic? Cl2O7. The formula of Epsom salt is MgSO4 7H2O. C will be the correct option. The region closest to Earth's surface is troposphere. The rate of a chemical reaction doubles for every 10 degrees Celsius. Then on 60 degrees Celsius, the rate of reaction will increase by about 64 times. B will be the correct option. Baking powder is a mixture of A. baking soda and tartaric acid. A will be the correct option here. During combustion of glucose C6H12O6, which products are formed? Carbon dioxide and water. B will be the correct option. Silver metal made jewelry become dark. Copper made utensils become green due to which of the following processes? Corrosion. A will be the correct option here. Next is, generally, sulfide ores are converted into metal oxide by which of the following processes? Roasting. B will be the correct option here. Next is, which of the following pairs will give displacement reaction? AgNO3 solution and copper metal. D will be the correct option here. इसी के साथ हमारा केमिस्ट्री पोर्शन यहाँ खत्म होता है. नेक्स्ट सेक्शन इज ऑफ बॉटनी जूलॉजी. So father of plant physiology is known as Stephen Hales. A will be the correct option. Plants grow in lower light intensities are called shade tolerant. C will be the correct option. Which of the following are largest decomposers of forest? Molds and mushrooms. B will be the correct option. Which part of poppy plant yields opium? Latex from unripe capsule. A will be the correct option. The line which lies between 55 degree to 60 degree latitude cannot grow trees beyond it is called timber line. C will be the correct option. The 10% law is related to energy transfer from lower trophic level to higher trophic level. C will be the correct option here. Taxol that is used as an anti-cancer drug is extracted from bark of which of the following plants? T. baguetta. C will be the correct option. Which of the following countries has the highest biodiversity? Brazil. A will be the correct option. The organization which publishes the red list of species is known as IUCN. A will be the correct option. Velamen, a spongy tissue on roots, is characteristic of which roots? Epiphytic roots. D will be the correct option. Phylloclade is a modification of stem. A will be the correct option. Select the correct match. तो यहाँ पे petunia that is solanaceae. B will be the correct option. Placenta and pericarp are both edible portions in tomato. C will be the correct option. Osmophores secrete essential oil. C will be the correct option. Osmotic pressure of pure water is 0. A will be the correct option. What is hydroponics? It is a solution containing all nutrients. B will be the correct option. Cyclic photophosphorylation synthesizes only ATP. A will be the correct option. Genus represents, it is a group of closely related species of plants or animals. C will be the correct option. Next is, smallest animal virus is foot and mouth virus. A will be the correct option. What is common between parrot, platypus and kangaroo? Homeothermy. B will be the correct option. Venom of cobra attacks nervous system. C will be the correct option. A connective tissue sheath covering a muscle fiber is called endomysium. A will be the correct option. Forest of nephridia are integumentary nephridia. B will be the correct option. Who proposed the law of constant chromosome number? Stratusberger. B will be the correct option. What is the formula of chlorophyll A? C55H72O5N4Mg. D will be the correct option. Strongest amylase is pancreatic amylase. D will be the correct option. Dextrocardia means heart present on right side of the man. A will be the correct option. Kidney receive about dash of blood per minute, 1200 milliliter of blood per minute. D will be the correct option. Number of bones in human skull is 29. D will be the correct option. Pectin, a comb-like structure, is found in the eye of birds. C will be the correct option. Which hormone is responsible for milk ejection after the birth of a baby? Oxytocin. C will be the correct option. Oral contraceptives prevent pregnancy by preventing ovulation. C will be the correct option. The cell-mediated immunity inside the human body is carried out by T lymphocytes. A will be the correct option. Worm contains symbiotic fungi. C will be the correct option. Crocodile and bird association is an example of protocooperation. D will be the correct option. The green leaves of plant absorb which of the following in the visible spectrum? Blue and red light. Next question is, for how many years the yeast Saccharomyces can be in dry state? 4 years. D will be the correct option. Name the hormone that controls the metamorphosis in frog. Thyroxine. C will be the correct option. Which of the following is a bird flu virus which is also known as avian flu virus? H5N1. A will be the correct option. Murrah is breed of which of the following? Buffalo. B will be the correct option. By weight, what is percentage of blood in human body? 7%. C will be the correct option. Which organ is known as graveyard of RBC? Spleen. Which organ of the human body is metabolically most active organ? Liver. Approximately how many nephrons are present in human body? 20 lakhs. C will be the correct option. The bacteria for Japanese fever affect which organ of body? Brain. A will be the correct option. What is pinus? A tree. A will be the correct option. Next question is, the damaged ozone layer is situated in stratosphere. C will be the correct option. The term ecosystem was introduced by A.G. Tansley. B will be the correct option. The plant absorbs nitrogen in which form? Nitrate. One of the following is correct match for disease and their causative agent. Typhoid, that is Salmonella typhi. C will be the correct option. If a man from sea coast goes to high mountain peak, then his breathing will increase. A will be the correct option. Translocation of carbohydrates occurs as sucrose. Next question is, during muscle contraction, length of A band remains unchanged. C. Which pairs are the floating ribs in human body? Last two pairs आपको पता है, that is 11th and 12th. C. Prenatal defects in the fetus can be detected by amniocentesis. B. Pebrine is a disease of a silkworm. Photochemical smog doesn't contain carbon dioxide. The function of control of rate of heartbeat is controlled by which part of brain? Medulla oblongata. C. An area of the retina which doesn't have rods and cones are blind spot. C. Pomology is the study of fruits. A. तो इसी के साथ हमारा बायोलॉजी सेक्शन, दैट इज बॉटनी एंड जूलॉजी, यहीं पर ख़त्म होता है. लास्ट सेक्शन इज ऑफ जर्नल अवेयरनेस इंक्लूडिंग हिमाचल प्रदेश करंट अफेयर्स इन एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज. So the terrestrial boundary of India is not bordered with Sri Lanka. When did Telangana, the 29th state of India, come into being? 2014 AD. Which channel separates Andaman archipelago from Nicobar archipelago? 10-degree channel. What time do sun rays take to reach the earth? 8 minutes 30 seconds. The ruins of civilization found at the excavation site at Harappa to which period according to radiocarbon datings? 2350 BC. Which treatise is written by Kapil Muni? Sankhya. Who gave the name first war of India's independence to the revolt of 1857? Veer Savarkar. Which district of Himachal Pradesh has highest population? Kangra. Chakli was the famous coin of which state? Chamba. When did Himachal Pradesh become Vishal Himachal? November 1, 1966. Patthar ka khel is played at Halog. Tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following state? Gujarat. In which state the famous Somnath temple is situated? Gujarat. Who was the founder of the province Bilaspur? Raja Bir Chand. How many square kilometer is the area of the Himachal Pradesh? 55,673. B is the correct option. When did railway begin in India? 1853 AD. What is the name of hills of the Unna district? Shivalik. Which is the longest river in Himachal Pradesh? Satluj. When did terrorist attack on the India Parliament? December 13, 2001. C will be the correct option. When did ISRO launch Chandrayaan 2? 22nd July 2019. A will be the correct option. What is Chud Chandni? The name of a peak. Lira is the currency of which country? Italy. इस क्वेश्चन के आपको ग्रेस मार्क्स मिले थे. वर्ल्ड नेचर डे सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन. नेक्स्ट इज, हु इज द करंट डिप्यूटी चेयरमैन ऑफ नीति आयोग? Rajiv Kumar. In which district AIMS is being constructed? C. Bilaspur. Who was the first Himachali who led the Olympic hockey team? Charanjit Singh. C. In which district of Himachal Pradesh there are most industrial units? Solan. River Ravi is known by which of the following cultural name? Iravati. Kamrunang Lake of Mandi is situated in which of its tehsil? Chichiot. कालका शिमला रेलवे ट्रैक कंसिस्ट ऑफ हाउ मेनी टनल्स? 103. तो इसी के साथ हमारा जो HP टेट मेडिकल है वो यहीं ख़त्म होता है. So thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Keep supporting, keep motivating. Thank you.